Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Cambodian pickled cucumbers. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh cucumbers, white vinegar, sugar, and salt. Persian or English cucumbers work wonderfully for their crispness. For an extra kick, consider adding garlic, fresh chilies, or even a touch of dill to your pickling jar. This recipe is truly easy to follow. Next, we prepare our cucumbers. Slice them into thin rounds or spears, about 1/4 inch thick for optimal pickling. Then, toss the sliced cucumbers with 1 tablespoon of salt and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This draws out excess water. Finally, rinse the cucumbers thoroughly under cold water and pat them completely dry with a clean towel. This step is crucial for crisp pickles.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for your vehicle's scent. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to this liquid mixture. Gently heat the brine over medium heat, stirring constantly until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat and allow it to cool completely before proceeding. This ensures the cucumbers remain crisp. With your cucumbers prepped and brine cooled, it's time to combine them. Tightly pack the dried cucumber slices into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Carefully pour the cooled brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly with a lid. Refrigerate your pickled cucumbers for at least 24 hours before serving. They will develop a delicious tangy flavor and crisp texture. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.